County Civic Education Bill, that is Senate Bill number 4 of 2024, be read a second time. Mr. Speaker, sir, the 2010 Constitution of Kenya ushered in a new era of devolution, granting significant powers and resources to our 47 county governments. However, devolution is not just about transferring power from the national government to counties. It's also about ensuring that every citizen understands their role in this new system of governance. And unfortunately, many of our people remain unaware of their rights, responsibilities, and the opportunities available under them under devolution. This gap in knowledge undermines the very essence of public participation, which is the cornerstone of our democracy. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise today with great pride and deep sense of responsibility to move the County Civic Education Bill for consideration by this august House, because this bill, if passed, will not just be another piece of legislation, it will be a transformative tool that seeks to empower every Kenyan at the grassroots level by equipping them with knowledge and tools necessary to actively participate in governance. And that's why I say an informed citizenry is able to make decisions on their own choices and live on a daily basis. Mr. Speaker, sir, the County Civic Education Bill seeks to address this gap by establishing a framework for systematic and continuous civic education at the county level. And therefore, this bill aims to do the following. One, to promote civic awareness. In this case, the bill seeks to educate citizens about their rights, responsibilities, and functions of county governments.